Hello there, my name's Jordan Jacob, President of Grizzly Aerospace.
And I'm Christian, the Vice President of Grizzly Aerospace. Today we are at the Rocketry and the Southern Stars events flying Luna Mark V. We would like to thank the hosts of this event, Clemson University and ICBM.
We also would like to go ahead and extend a gracious thank you to all of our donors, our mentors, and our faculty advisors who have made this event possible for us to attend Spaceport America. However, you can still join our team in spirit by going ahead and donating on our GoFundMe to help support our team so we can continue to soar with a roar!
Eggtimer on board and a Jolly Roger 400 feet. Eggtimer have at 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's tangled. Oh no. Oh no. Oh!
Alright, I will pick up fragments. You check on the important parts.
Well, there's our Quasar. She was right, the battery disconnected.
Oh, jeez. Yep.
Let's start finding those cameras first.
Looks like you got stuck on a seat.
Here's one of the cameras.